Hi everyone, Shane here at Southeast Motorcycles. I'm giving you a walk around of this very special motorcycle. Today we have a 2017 XL1200CX Roadster. So we are looking here at a Stage 4 upgrade in this now 100 horsepower Sportster. So what that includes: high compression pistons, ported cylinder heads, big bore throttle body, upgraded cams, port match intake manifold, 58mm heavy breather, and then you got Screaming Eagle mufflers with a Pro Street tuner. So you got your two-tone silver and black with that burgundy pinstriping. Very fast bike. The handlebars were changed out. We got iron style handlebars. So all of this work was done here at Southeast Harley-Davidson. And it will also have factory warranty, which will include all of the motor work, folks, until March 31st of 2021. This was one of our parts guys demos. 45, just under 4,600 miles. Fire it up for you. There you can hear Now, if you're looking for high performance engine upgrades, this is what you got right here. So check out our website, southeastharley.com, for more details, or if you want to give me a buzz, 440-439-5300. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, subscribe by pressing that button right there, and we'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Take care.